Is sending money from Uphold even possible? You're probably here because you found yourself with funds on Uphold and now you're wondering how to get them into the hands of a friend, family member, or even a merchant. Maybe you've received a payment, traded some crypto, or simply topped up your account, and the next logical step is to move that money. But Uphold isn't your traditional bank, is it? So, what are the mechanisms for transferring funds out of their ecosystem? Can you send it directly to a bank account, another digital wallet, or perhaps even another Uphold user? These are the questions that often crop up when navigating the somewhat unique landscape of Uphold's financial services. Let's cut to the chase. Yes, you absolutely can send money from Uphold, but the methods and possibilities depend on what you mean by sending money. Uphold offers several avenues for moving your funds. Firstly, and perhaps most straightforwardly, you can send money to another Uphold user. This is incredibly easy and often instantaneous. If the person you want to send money to also has an Uphold account, you simply need their email address associated with their Uphold account. The transfer happens internally within the Uphold platform, making it a quick and fee-efficient way to move funds between users. Secondly, you can withdraw funds to an external bank account. This is likely what most people envision when they think of sending money. Uphold allows you to link your bank account and initiate withdrawals. The exact process and speed can vary depending on your location and the currency involved. Typically, you'd navigate to your chosen currency or asset within Uphold, select the withdraw option, and then choose your linked bank account. Be aware that bank transfers can take a few business days to clear, similar to traditional bank transfers. There might also be withdrawal limits and associated fees, so it's always wise to check Uphold's current fee schedule. Thirdly, for certain cryptocurrencies, you can send funds to an external crypto wallet. If you hold Bitcoin, Ethereum, XRP, or any other supported cryptocurrency on Uphold, you have the option to send that crypto to a wallet outside of the Uphold platform. This is a common practice for those who prefer to self-custody their crypto or want to send it to an exchange or another individual's crypto address. When performing such a transfer, you'll need the recipient's exact wallet address, and it's crucial to double-check this address as crypto transactions are irreversible. Network fees for these transfers will apply. Finally, Uphold also offers the ability to spend your funds using their Uphold card in certain regions. While not sending in the traditional sense, it allows you to utilize your Uphold balance for everyday purchases, effectively moving the money out of your account and into the hands of a merchant. So, whether you're looking to pay a friend, transfer to your bank, move crypto, or simply spend your balance, Uphold provides multiple ways to move your money. The best method for you will depend on your specific needs and the recipient's capabilities. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.